Hey, it's Martin. And if you've got some old tweets you'd rather not keep around, this quick guide will show you how to clean up your X account. But before we dive in, if you're building a product, running a startup, or just trying to grow online, there's a tool I really recommend checking out. It's called Commentions. Here's what it does. It watches for tweets where people are asking questions, like what tool should I use for X? And it automatically replies with friendly, helpful comments that include your product. It works in the background, 24/7, and feels totally natural, like someone recommending you in a conversation. It's a smart way to get visibility without being spammy. You'll find the link in the description. Alright, let's get into how to clean up your old posts on X. Unfortunately, X doesn't offer a built-in way to delete posts in bulk. If you want to remove old tweets without a third-party tool, you'll need to do it manually one by one. To delete a post manually, open the X app and tap your profile icon in the top left. Tap Profile from the menu. Scroll through your timeline and find the post you want to delete. Tap the three dots in the corner of that post. Select Delete Post, then tap Delete again to confirm. You'll need to repeat that process for every post you want to remove. Want to delete in bulk? If you've got hundreds or thousands of tweets to erase, you might want to use a service like Tweet Delete or Tweet Eraser. These apps usually cost around 5 months and can save you a ton of time. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our full playlist of X tutorials. It's linked in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more short, useful tech guides like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck scrubbing your timeline.